Hello everyone, today we are going to download and install ANSYS student version. It is completely free. Go to Google, type ANSYS student and go to first link. I will also put the link in description. This is ANSYS student version, free download. This license is valid till 31st March 2027. So click here and download it. It's a 21 GB software. It will take a little time, almost 2 hours. Let's wait. I notice 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel for more good content. Please download it, go to more options and extract here. It will take some time depending on your system, RAM and other things. Go at the bottom and this is setup file. Double click it. Click yes. I agree. Click here. Click next. Choose the folder where do you want to install. Click next and here it will take some time. Okay, it is completed now. Click exit. Go to all programs. This is ANSYS. Now you can see all the modules are installed. You can launch a specific module or you can go at the bottom and launch Workbench where you can use all the modules together. This is Workbench. Open it. As it's a very heavy software, it will take some time to open as well. So here it is, ANSYS Workbench. On the left side you can see all the modules you can use here. Thank you guys. If you like this video, like it, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.